Hi there. If you are seeing this error while trying to save anything into your C drive or any other drive, then we are to solve or fix this today. Simply go to this PC. Right-click on C drive. And go to Properties. Come to Security. Then Edit. Click on Add. Advanced. Find Now. Here you need to find everyone. Click on that. OK. And now, make sure that everyone is checked. Check Full Control and Modify. Now apply an OK. This will remove the error you see. So, this is the way you can fix this issue in your PC. Hope you liked and please subscribe to Joseph IT for such videos. Goodbye.